Excuse me?
You can't get on your phone in the library.
For somebody who doesn't want to be on the camera, you sure keep coming up to the
This is my
camera
job,
a
bro.
lot.
This is my job. You want to record that? This is my job.
Okay.
You cannot be on your phone in the library. That's the policy. You want some printout of the rules and regulations?
No, I
Just
could
about the rules?
I could print you out the United States Constitution if you'd
You
like.
can't print me out anything.
I could. It's a public library. I'm sure I could use a
We'll
printer
find out in
here.
a second, but
Okay.
you can't be on your phone in the
We
library.
will find out in a second.
Alright.
Maybe you'll learn something today.
Right. Look, you're definitely going to learn something.
May I ask why you're filming?
Ma'am, you already called the police on me, so if you wanted to have a proper
Just ask why you're filming?
if you wanted to have a proper conversation with me, you shouldn't have called police on me.
Well, I'm sorry, you should have abided by
I would have
regulations.
explained your regulations doesn't trump the U.S. Constitution, ma'am. And you're going to learn that today.
Sir, this is a...
I don't look. You have video cameras everywhere here, ma'am. So your
I
video.
do, and nobody looks at that videotape except me. Just like
If
you
I
need to
wanted,
ask
if I
me.
wanted to look at it, I could.
No, you could not. No,
This
you
is
couldn't.
this is a public library.
Yes, and you.
So that means that's public record.
And you,
You need to keep your voice down,
Now
man.
you're causing a disturbance.
No, I'm not.
You're causing a disturbance.
You're causing a
You're
disturbance.
causing a disturbance.
Hi, how are you?
Well, can I ask why you haven't followed the library's requirements and what they're doing?
What do you mean?
They because of attestations and things like that with the COVID, they're trying to keep track because of numbers.
I gave them a name to use.
You did give them a name, okay?
Correct.
Did they tell you about their recording policy that they asked you to leave without or to stop recording?
Okay. Well, I want to explain. Well, what's your
Can
name
you
first?
Just let me know, Officer Lubold. Can you let me know why you're here?
Okay. What's
Go ahead.
how you
Officer
spell?
Lubold.
Lubold.
Correct.
Okay. Badge 260.
Correct.
Great. I'm here today because that policy does not trump our constitutional right to film in public and publicly accessible areas. So I would appreciate it if you honored your oath to the Constitution and allowed me to go back peacefully on my way.
I'm just going to review their policy.
Yeah, that's no problem. You can review it.
Are you here by yourself?
I'm not going to answer that.
this is violating your privacy here. And my,
How do you have privacy in public?
This is a public access
I can
building.
contact, if you want me to contact our attorney, I'd be happy.
Well,
to
let's listen to the law enforcement officer.
Right now, you're in violation of our...
Let's listen to the law enforcement officer, ma'am.
Excuse me.
I don't know why you're getting upset.
Have this conversation outside, just so let's get some clarity on it. For
Yeah,
all the people
I'm not gonna go outside
There
now.
There are other patrons that are inside
I
the
know.
library.
So let's keep our voices down.
If you don't mind just standing up here with me, would be great until we find out the rules, okay?
I'm gonna polite.
While we figure out exactly the particulars.
I'm
I'm
gonna.
a lawful law enforcement officer.
I understand
I'm
that.
asking you to just stay here for me.
And
okay,
I
while we
understand.
figure out exactly what's going on.
I understand that, ma'am. I understand you're a lawful officer, but am I being detained?